Hi, first graders. I hope you had a good day off of virtual learning yesterday. Today is Wednesday, and we are going to be practicing with our trick words or our sight words. So, this is one of the most important things we can do to become a better reader. First, what I thought we would do is practice with our vowel teams that we've worked on so far. And remember, vowel teams are two vowel letters together and they make one sound. And a lot of times, the ones that we've practiced so far, they're going to say the first vowel letter's name. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to go through our letters, keyword, sound, and then I say, you say, just to practice them and get them fresh in our brain, because the three new trick words that we'll practice today will have our letter E vowel teams. So let's pull this up a little closer and make sure we can see. We're going to start here at the top. A, I, bait, A. Good. A, Y, play, A. E, jeep, E. E-A, eat, E. E-Y, key, E. Awesome job. So did you hear how all of the sounds, so these two sounds at the top make the same sound, both vowel teams? A-I says A when we see it in a word. A-Y says A. They just say the letter's name, A. And then the same at the bottom. E says E. E-A says E. E-Y says E. Good. In this case, you'll notice letter Y is considered a vowel. So sometimes when letter Y teams up with a vowel letter together, then we call it a vowel letter. All right, so the trick words that we're going to practice today are going to have E sound in them. All right, so let's go to our slideshow. First, we're going to practice the trick words that we have already learned, and then we'll practice 3 new ones today. Okay? So let me start our slideshow. All right, today is June 3rd, 2020. We're already in June, and here's our objective. I say, you say. We will learn how to spell and use 3 new trick words. Awesome job. And then we have a second objective down here. We will write words and sentences that we hear by listening for sounds and tapping them out. Awesome job, first graders. Okay, remember, when we do our trick word slideshow, I give you 3 seconds to say it, and you try to beat Miss Makadia. So you try to say the word in 1 or 2 snaps, and then I say it. The reason why I say it afterwards is because if you don't know the word yet, that's okay. But we are trying to learn them, so I want you to try to say them first. Okay? What? Put. Is his. Or for. As has. You, your. Do, does. Why, by, my, try. we, he, she, be, me. 2, have, where, there, here. From, into, 1, was, and, when, were, to, who, said, they, are, of, to, also, could, should, would, very, her, over, number, say, says. All right. How many of those words did you know? Did you know many of them? Some of them? A little bit of them? If only a little, that's okay. I think that you should keep practicing these slides, even if you just look at this first part and practice them a little bit every day, because if you know these words, you will become an amazing reader, because these words are in almost every book that we read. Okay, they're all over the place. So that's why we practice them so often. All right, let's take a look. Here are our 3 new words. I bet you know the one on the top already. It says see. Like, I see cars out the window. I see my family. We see with our eyes. Okay? And you probably know that one because I think you learned that in kindergarten. The next word says between. What does it say? Between. Between means in the middle. So maybe I sit between my mom and my dad. I'm in the middle. Okay, between. You try it again. Between. Look, it has that vowel team, E-E. C has E-E. And then this last one has E-A. So if I tap it out, each. Each. What does it say? Each. Each means every. Okay? So if I, let's see. I'll have to think of a good sentence for each. I eat each of my carrots. That means I eat all of my carrots. All right, we're going to practice spelling these words. So up here it says see, the action of looking with your eyes. Okay, so we see things with our eyes. Let's practice spelling it. Let's say the name of the highlighted letter. Ready? We spell C, S-E-E. That says see. Let's practice between. This is a bigger word. And it has in the middle a blend. T-W says twa. What does it say? Twa. Between. between. Means, remember, in the middle. Let's spell it together. Let me make sure I'm here. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Each. Each means every. That means all. Okay, each. Let's spell it together. E-A-C-H says each. Great job. All right, we are going to practice using these new trick words in a sentence. So let me go back and find over here our space for our paper. Okay, here's the sentence that we're going to practice with. It says, can you see between each crack? Let's say it together. Can you see between each crack? Let's put the words on our fingers. Can you see between each crack? How many words are in my sentence? 6. Very good. So we remember that we make lines so that we don't leave any of the words out. Can you see between, I'm going to come down to the next line, between each crack. Let's make sure I have 6 lines because I counted 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, got them. Okay, now I'm going to write my words. Can. I know that word. That's easy peasy. Can. You. That's a trick word. We practiced that one in our slide. Y-O-U. Can you see between? Let's see if I remember how to write between. Between. Each crack. Now, I don't know how to write crack, but I am going to try my best to tap it out. Cur. That's a blend. Cur. 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 Do it with this hand. Cur. I know when k comes at the end of a word, it's a digraph. C-K. Can you see between each crack? Something's missing. Punctuation. Period, or do I put a question mark? Am I asking a question? If I said to my friend, can you see between each crack? Would I want them to answer me? Yeah, because I'm asking them a question. So I'm going to use a question mark. All right. There's my sentence. Can you see between each crack? Now I'm going to circle a word. I'm going to read my sentence again, and I want you to tell someone at home which word did I circle. You probably already know. Can you see between each crack? If you said see, you are correct. Awesome. Now I'm going to circle another word. I'm going to read my sentence again, and I want you to tell someone at home which word did I circle. Follow along on your screen so you can see all of the words. Can you see between each crack? What word did I circle? If you said between, give yourself a pat on the back. Good job. And last one. I'm going to circle this word. I'm going to read it one last time, and I want you to see if you know what this word is. Can you see between each crack? What's my word? If you said each, kiss your brain. Awesome job, friends. All right. What I'm going to have you do, you did not need to write that sentence at home, but if you did, that's okay. It's going to be good practice for writing your words. We're going to write, let's do 3 words at home today. And these words are going to practice with some of our blends and some of our digraphs. Are you ready? All right. Next to number 1, write the word, let's write help. You say it. Good. Now let's tap it out. Help. Help. It has a blend, not at the beginning of the word. It has a blend at the end. Help. Up. It's a little funny when I say it that slowly, but it helps me hear the sounds. Help. Help. Next to number 2 on your paper, write the word bless. Bless. Like sometimes when I sneeze, people tell me, bless you. Bless. Now think about it. When we end with a s at the end, and it's not a suffix, what do we do to that letter S? Bull, that's a blend. Bull, think about the 2 sounds. Bull, S, bless. Very good. And the last word is pests. Pests. It's tricky to hear all of the sounds. There is a base word. It is pest. Pest. A pest is like a mosquito or a bug or a fly, something that's buzzing around you and annoying you. That's a pest. Let's tap it out. Est. That's a blend. St. Think about the 2 letters you hear. Est. Okay, that's our base word. When you're done, add your suffix S. All right. When you're done writing those words, have mom or dad snap a picture so I can see your awesome work. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.